Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide category in Squarespace. This is particularly useful when you want to streamline your product pages and create a cleaner, more minimalist look for your store. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First things first, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to hide the category. This will open up that specific site's management area, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. On the left side menu, you'll notice several options for managing your site. Click on Website, and directly under it, you'll find Pages. Click on Pages to access the structure and layout of your site. This is where you can control what appears on each page and make adjustments to your content sections. Now locate your product page from the list of pages displayed. Once you've found it, click on it to open the page editor. You'll see an Edit button appear, so go ahead and click that to start making changes to your product page layout. Next, you need to select the section that currently displays the category. Once you've clicked on that section, you'll see an option to Edit Section. Click on this to access the detailed settings for that particular section of your page. Now you'll be taken to the section editor where you can control various elements. Look for the Elements tab, which lists all the components within this section. Here you'll find an option labeled Category Title Desktop. Simply disable this option by toggling it off. This removes the category title from the desktop view of your product page. But we're not quite done yet. On the upper right corner of your screen, you'll notice a mobile icon. Click on this icon to switch to mobile view. It's important to adjust the mobile settings separately because Squarespace manages desktop and mobile layouts independently. Once you're in mobile view, select the same section again and click Edit Section just like you did before. This ensures you're adjusting the correct section for mobile users. In the mobile section editor, you'll see a similar option called Category Title Mobile. Go ahead and disable this as well by toggling it off. This ensures that the category title is hidden from mobile visitors too, keeping your design consistent across all devices. Finally, click Save to apply all your changes. Squarespace will process these updates and your product page will now display without the category title on both desktop and mobile views. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the category title from your Squarespace product page, giving your store a cleaner and more focused appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.